Okay, we are gonna walk straight down that street. Before we even do, I'm just gonna show you this context. So this is a giant building called La Arc. This is Wynn Casino, and then MGM Casino right there. So you got 3 major casinos, and we're gonna walk down that road in a second. And this street that we're gonna be coming off is called Avenida de 24 de Junio, which is not our focus. That's just kind of this main avenue right here. Okay, stay tuned for our focus building.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the road.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, here we are in our focus building. That's the President Casino, that's the La Arc Hotel and Casino, and MGM, Wynn. And over there, you got this beautiful black and white tile street. So this goes down this 24 de Junio street, Avenida. Got a bunch of like sales things right here. And then this is kind of cool with that giant thing like that right there too, right? So, okay, let's just kind of stroll down a little bit. Yeah, this is called Rua Cidade de Coimbra. So Coimbra, Cidade. And you got all these kind of, I think these are all like gold shops and different stuff like that. Looks like those people are gonna buy some gold or watches or something like that, or pawn some. So I guess you're gonna pawn some of their jewelry maybe and then try to win it back, maybe. That's really beautiful right there, right? Yeah, you can get there's the people right there, so just get a little context of how big that is. There's more of these little casino stuff. There's the police. Shouldn't film that. Victoria Sauna, it says. So that's the context of the person, right? There's a person. That's how giant those doors and everything is. So we're gonna keep on going down. Okay, so now I see this little, we saw a little tiny police, and then there's a big box for police too. So I guess the police are right in a good place if there's any problems. Keep on going down. It's a nice avenue too. This avenida is called Sir Anders Johnson. I think I looked up that name. It's definitely Scandinavian. I think it's Swedish. I think, if I remember right. I remember I was kind of curious because the name is not Portuguese. So I was wondering how a Swedish person got a street after him. I forget the history. But our focus is the Coimbra street anyways, which is this one. Let's see, we might just walk across here a little bit. And that was one of our focus streets right there. Yeah, so let's see. I think today is the 3rd day of mandatory testing throughout the city. Things feel a little bit more relaxed today, by the way. We had a 72-hour mandatory nucleic acid test that everybody had to take because of 4 COVID cases with the Delta variation that came in from Xi'an, China. And but it looks like we haven't had any more new cases reported yet, so people seem pretty resolved, pretty relaxed today compared to the last couple of days where it seemed like the energy was kind of a little bit intense. People are a little bit worked up, but today feels more relaxed. I got my mask here, right here. I got a black one. For historical purposes, we're in the middle of the COVID era. Yeah, and this right now we're going to be walking by, these are a chain. Shenmue supermarket is everywhere. And these guys are waiting for the bus. I think this bus goes to the border, I think. Almost. Tai Chi. It goes up there anyways. So this bus goes almost to the border and that one does. So that's the border bus. Portos de Circo is the border. This one is way up there in the north too. Not too far away. Okay. Then we're kind of up in this area. The sauna right there. That's our focus street right there. The Wind Casino way over there. And over here we kind of come out to this, there's a place to sit for one. But we also come to a park. There's a park, goldfish, big binding trees, tons of benches to sit in. And way down there is a statue of Guanyin, which you can't see through the trees. But it's quite beautiful. It's in the ocean a little bit. And people do go there as a tourist. And I think that's our focus, but we're just gonna go down just a tiny little bit and just give you a little context of what else is around here. Here's a sauna. Family and Nobre. That person's rubbing his arm like he just got the shot. Maybe they might be doing the shots in here, vaccines maybe? I don't know. Not sure. McD Cafe. Looks nice. I haven't seen that place before. Oh, looks like a good shop. Okay, so anyways, that's a little bit around the corner from our focus street. And we're gonna end it right in this spot, so. Here's the other casino, or that other hotel that was right near us. Rua Francisco de Fernandez. So this is a different street, which we won't focus on, but I did just want to show you a little context. So this is that same place, and then this kind of street. So we were basically down that one a little bit.
Chiquinha.